Hello friends, your warm welcome to Fascinating Hours, a channel where you get every knowledgeful thing. Today in this video you will know about some psychology facts that you don't know. So let's start. When you become really close to someone, you can hear their voices in your head when you read their text. People who constantly used to be honest are more likely to be lying. Research shows that just thinking about Plan B can make it less likely that you will achieve Plan A. People are most likely to return a lost wallet if they find a baby picture inside it. Depressed people tend to speak with longer pauses and fragmented sentences. What we wear affects how we behave. We seem to ignore those who adore us and pay more attention to those who ignore us. People are 50% more likely to agree with you if you speak to their right ear and touch their forearm. The people who prefer window seats in every transport like to be alone during the travel. "70% of people choose to keep things to themselves to avoid being judged by others. When they see you are doing better without them, that is when they want you back. Smart people underestimate themselves, and ignorant people think they are brilliant. When someone is sitting spreading their legs and talking to you, the person is curious to know about you. If you suspect someone is following you, take 4 right turns. If they will still behind you, they are following you. Opposites don't attract. You are more likely to be attracted to someone who looks and thinks the same you do. If you like these psychology facts, then like, share, and do subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon for latest updates. And thanks for watching.